Well, my car's still dirty, and I'm still waiting on the rain.
I know. We missed it just to our east. All that rain set up, so we got just a couple sprinkles here in the Austin area.
So I'm going to have to wash it tomorrow by myself.
Well, I don't know if you want to wash it just yet. We are tracking more chances in that 7-day forecast. We'll get to that in just a little bit, but it is beautiful outside, and it's going to be a gorgeous evening as well. Here's your planning forecast for the rest of tonight. Right now, we are still at 78 degrees. By 8 p.m., it's still going to be 70. By 10 p.m. tonight, 64 degrees. So a very, very mild evening for this time of year. 60 degrees is our normal high for this time of year. Satellite radar shows all of our rain activity moving well to the east over portions of Louisiana now, and a weak front has dropped over a western half of the state, and that has cooled temperatures down in places like Abilene, Wichita Falls, Lubbock in the 50s there. Still in the upper 60s, Waco to St. Angelo, but look how much warmer we are as you head east. 78, and Austin, of course, 78, and San Antonio right now as well. Now that front's going to lift back north tomorrow as a warm front, so we're not going to see this colder air just yet. We're tracking a little bit change in our forecast a little later on in the week. Right now, though, look at these temperatures. 79 in Llano, 79 in Georgetown, 78 in Bastrop, 79 currently in San Marcos as well. Mostly clear in 78 out at Camp Mabry, 79 at the airport, and our winds are out of the south in between 5 and 10 miles an hour. Now, storm forecast shows that we had this one wave of energy that caused last night's rain moving out to the east, and then we're watching a stronger trough of low pressure that's going to move in by early Tuesday. This is going to push a cold front through. That's going to bring us a good chance for rain overnight, Monday into Tuesday morning. Now, at the same time this is happening, we're going to be watching colder air work its way out of western Canada. This large area of colder air, Arctic in origin, again, very similar to our last system, only this colder air expected to be even more frigid than what we experienced with our last system that rolled through. This will drop in by early Tuesday morning after that front moves in. And there's going to be a timing issue, especially over the northern half of the state, of when the colder air arrives and when the precipitation ends. It looks like here in the Austin area, we should stay all rain. There's good news there. But this cold air is really going to stick around through your Wednesday, Thursday, even into your Friday. For the rest of the week, we're going to see temperatures well below normal for this time of year. Overnight temperatures in the teens and 20s, afternoon highs in the 30s and low 40s. Now let's go hour by hour through your forecast. We're tracking this rain activity. Early tomorrow morning, patchy fog is possible, especially since we have a lot of moisture in the lower levels of the atmosphere. Through the afternoon hours, partly sunny skies on Monday. Temperatures again very nice, but Tuesday, early Tuesday morning, we start to see the rain work its way into our hill country counties. By the time you wake up to get ready for work, we're going to see rain all across central Texas. It moves out very quickly, though, so we're looking at by the time that colder air arrives here in Austin, the rain has ended and moved out to our east. For the rest of the afternoon, we're going to just see cloudy skies. Now, already with this system, we are looking at a winter storm watch in effect Monday night into Tuesday for portions of northwest Texas. They have that possibility for freezing rain switching over to snow, making for very dangerous driving conditions. So as the system moves through places like Lubbock up towards the Panhandle, looking at freezing rain switching over to snow by the late morning hours. In the Dallas area, freezing rain is possible as that colder air filters in. But here, mainly in our area, we're going to see just rain activity before that rain ends and the coldest air moves in. Far western hill country counties, you could see a slight mix of some freezing rain in there, but the ground temperatures again are going to be too warm for anything to really become very, very slick. Now tonight, 58 degrees here in Austin, another very mild night. Patchy fog early tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, though, partly to mostly cloudy skies, 77. And here's that 7-day forecast. Look at the temperature starting Wednesday morning, 23 degrees, much, much colder. That's Groundhog Day. And then we're watching another chance for possibly a wintry mix on Friday as temperatures still remain well below freezing.